Okay, so this is going to be video number 4. Video number 4 is the blitzes that we can do out of any formation. So we can do it out of the 3-3, we can do it out of the 4-2, the 3-2. It doesn't matter what formation we're in. We can do this blitz. Okay. The easiest way to kind of remember the blitzes is, number one, is the blitz will start with the player that the word starts with. So if we called crazy, which is one of our blitzes from last year also, crazy starts with a C, so a corner is doing the blitz. Okay, so that's going to be the easiest way to remember. The second part of it is there will be a letter in the word that shows which gap you're going in. Okay, and I'll kind of go over that in a minute here. If it doesn't say in or out, kind of give you an example. But so we'll start with the first one, which is crazy, and we can go crazy strong or crazy weak. We might most likely go crazy weak because weak will be to the short side of the field, okay, with the way we line up with our defense. Fire will be starting a match, so it'll be kind of like flicking the wrist on the side of the hip, okay. So that is fire. That can be for anyone. I know it's an F, but that is not for just the free safety, but that could be for anyone. So I could go fire Will, fire Sam, fire Raven, fire whoever I could call in that situation. That means they just go. There's almost really no rhyme or reason to where they're going. They're just going and causing some havoc in the play. Okay, flab. Okay, so I'm going to pinch my stomach because, well, we all know it's kind of flabby there. So flab would be the free safety. It starts with an F, free safety. It has the B in it. Okay, so if it has a B in it, the free safety is now going to the B gap. I will call strong or weak depending on what side I would want him to go on. Okay, flash, kind of like lightning coming down from the sky. Okay, lightning would be, okay, flash would be, has the A in it, no B or other things. So flash would be the free safety to the A gap. And flood. So flood is this. Excuse me. Flood is this. Okay. Free safety outside. So to the C, the D gap, C, whatever the outside gap is at the time. Okay. So those are our free safety blitzes. Free safety. Yeah, we're going to be using you a little more in the run game this year with that. Okay. Our night blitzes. So we have kart, driving the go-kart. Okay. So night starts with a K. It's the kart, starts with a K, and it has an A in it. It's going, the knight's going all the way into the A gap. Okay. Knob, twisting the doorknob. Okay. So K with the B, knight going to the B gap, and knock. Just like last year, knight coming outside, C gap, D gap, whatever the outside gap is at the time. Our Raven blitz is in this one. Rake. So kind of like I'm raking or sweeping. Okay, we have rake in there. Raven to the A gap. Rib, just pointing to my rib. Raven to the B gap. And razor, kind of like we're shaving, is Raven outside. Okay, so those are the blitzes on those. We have taps. So with taps, I would always call one of the linebackers on this. So tap Will, tap Mike, tap Sam, something like that. They will decide where they want to blitz with the lineman in front of them. They go up and tap them where the D line is going to move. Okay, so if I tap on the right hip of the D lineman goes to the right, I would blitz to the left. Okay, trail. So trail always will follow another blitz. Okay, so trail will be the hand behind the head, and what that would be is the short side, say, linebacker, most likely the will in most situations, will follow behind a blitzing person on the strong side. Okay, we're just sending two people in one gap, trying to get an open person in that situation. Okay, Sam in and Sam out. Okay, Sam is Superman. He's our strong linebacker. So S, drawing an S on the chest, and we have in and out. Okay, so Sam in, Sam out. And then Will is our weak side linebacker. So we have Will, okay, drawing a W with the fingers. So Will in and Will out. Okay, so those blitzes could fit really any formation we are in.